And as you were able to see, I recently received my new airbrush from the brand Saviland, and I'm so happy with the results of it. This is the first time I'm using an airbrush, and honestly guys, it was very easy to actually use. I do still need to work on putting gentle pressure on this part here so that as I'm doing my nails, it looks a little bit more natural and not as harsh. With time and practice, it's going to look perfect. With this airbrush, we do have 25 psi precision, and then the nozzle is actually going to be 0.3 millimeters in size. I'm so happy with how easy it was to use, how easy it is to assemble. The brand even provided us some additional brushes so that we're able to clean the device whenever we're done. But as you guys were able to see, this is so nice because it's wireless, so you can literally turn it on. It has two levels, so low and high, and also you have the control right here whenever you're releasing the paint onto your nails. There's so many different designs that you can do with this airbrush gun, guys. You can do ombre, you can do French tips, you can do something unique and different. The possibilities are endless. I'm going to create some beautiful designs in the future, guys, whether you're doing your nails at home like myself, or if you're a professional, you can create some beautiful nail designs with this airbrush. So I really hope that you guys are able to get that beautiful ombre effect or design that you're looking for, whether you're getting this product. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.